Hey guys, and in this video, I'll show you how to add voting polls on Snapchat. If you want to hear your audience's opinion on something, polls can easily help you to get the feedback you want. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can create a Snapchat poll. Firstly, go to the App Store if you have iPhone or to Google Play Store if you have Android. Find the app called Talk or Share Snap Polls and click to download it. Once it is installed into your phone, go and open it. To the Login with Snapchat button and hit Continue. Press on the button to start creating your Snapchat poll. Choose the color of your poll. Hit the editing icon and write your question and answers. Click on the Share button and it will redirect you to Snapchat. Now you can add your poll into your Snapchat story. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to add voting polls on Snapchat. Don't forget to like this video.